Welcome back to the show where I don't show my face, okay? We just fish. So we're gonna do today. Take it or leave it. I still ain't gonna show my face right now though. But I'm gonna catch some fish, I know that. Definitely gonna do that. Look at Mr. Bean. Mr. Straight Off the Bank. All right. Going Mr. Froggy. Well, what is called the Poppin Perch, you know what I mean? I probably would never use this if it wasn't for kicking an air bass TV. I never looked at this stuff before. But he seems to catch a lot of fish on it, so let me try. Missed it, he missed it. I wanted that hit though. Oh my goodness. Come on, big dog. You gotta put them hooks in him. Got you that time. Ooh. And you ate that thing down there too. Ooh. You ate him. Buddy. Buddy. Ate that. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm trying to help you out. Chill. Hold on. Hold on now. Thank you for playing the game today. I needed you, buddy. Big frog action. There we go. Biggie. Swallowed. Swallowed it. Lord, this is a big fish now. All right, let me get my pliers out for this one. You got it.
Call the bag when you want to get it out. Dang.
Alright.
Put them next to your stomach. Both of y'all look pregnant.
That's crazy coming from you.
No, I got twins, brother.
Yeah, see, 4.5, 4.6. 4.6. I knew he wasn't a 5 yet, but. Biggie.
Let me take a picture with it. Make my day.
Make my day.
you kill me. Every time you get close to a 5, you kill me.
Is it? Make my day.
Shot.
This is Bean's catch for the day, ain't it? Hold on. Bean's big boy for the day.
Damn, that was good too. I know I caught like a 1.5. Hit that chowder bit.
I caught one on the frog over there too. But he out of there. You hear me? I caught another one over there. And that first one I was at, yeah.
As soon as I changed the chowder bit, bro, they started biting. Chasing it, biting. Oh, God.
See this thing, bro? See, kicking the bad CVs. I watched him use this all the time. He be tearing them up. So I'm like, I'll try it. I'll check it out.
It's called a Poppin frog.
It's called a Poppin Perch.
I got one
biggie.
Oh
You better put it on.
Get him, bro. Get him, bro.
You want to see what happened with it?
No.
Dang, that was nasty though.
That was sick.
That was a big one.
Yeah. Get him, bro.
He was bigger than the other one. Let me tighten this up, bro. Buddy was in there. Oh, nope, he ain't got it. He ain't got it. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah.
I've been thinking.
He got grass with him. I hooked him bad. I hooked him wrong. Yep. He right here. He let him go. Let him go. Let him go. He out. He out. You heard that truck? Oh, okay. I didn't know which one it was. Did you see it? Uh-oh, fish. Come on, buddy.